It's breakfast. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's hot, yeah. Because it's morning already gone. Gonna look at the bikers, Gan. Look at the bikers. Dami nagbabike dito.
Look, airplane.
Ah, yeah, oh, airplane daw.
That's Tata airplane.
Hey, that's Tata Tricia. Basta nakakita siya ng airplane, si Tata Tricia niya. Nakakita siya ng airplane. Oh, bye-bye airplane. Where is the airplane? Ayun no, give oh. There, over there.
Oh, your mom is calling you na. Let's go.
Kita niya si Tata Tricia niya doon. Tsananana. Magalmusal muna tayo. Ganyan ang hair ko. Ayun. Oh, kaya thumbs up. Naglawan mo na rin magulo. Oh, cha. Nakita niya si... Where is the other one? Ay, I'm sorry. There. Ah, say, good morning, Daddy. Good morning, your daddy's watching. Oh. Nag-watch si ano. Your daddy's watching. At listen. The other one. Look. Daddy's watching. Say something. Ay. Kilala ka siguro nun. Tinitignan ka niya. Yung lumalis. And ito pala yung album. Registration. Mahaba ang pila sa breakfast. Dito pa sila. They are eating na. You sing nga. You sing. Ano yan? Thinking my little baby. Ay. Thinking my little. Ay manan thinking little baby. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Grass of mine. Where do I go?
Oh, you say something. You're on the camera.
Now I put it.
Hey, you're pretty your daddy? Your daddy is watching. Oh, look.
Dika. Dika.
Oh, look. Daddy J is watching.
Daddy,
Yeah.
we are in Manila.
Yeah.
But where are you? I'm going to see you this time.
Later.
Bye. Pitik you. I pitak spang. Bukitaka.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, bye-bye. Medyo matagal-tagal pa to. Buti pa yung dito, malapit lang sila. Modern kitchen. Okay, gutom na. Ayan po parang syunga-syunga na. What? Come. Ay. Oh.
I pick you.
No, I will not pick you.
Look at me.
What? Oh.
Me, I'm a tree. Okay, look at me, I'm a tree. Look at this, I'm a tree.
Yeah.
Look at this. I have this. Look at my nose.
Hey, wow, you are free. Okay. Thank you. Diyan tayo? Wait lang. Ay, doon, no? Pero kuha na tayo ng place. Haba naman pala eh. Marami naman pala. That's the ocean. Ocean. Ah. Nababa ng pila. Okay.
Wala po, hindi na kayo maghintay ng
Ay, serve lang.
yes.
So, ano pa na tayo? Special.
Mas ano naman po doon, mas slow yung tahimik.
Why not here?
Wala pa pong seat. Meron po mga seat, yung mga sobrang lalaki, seater for two, yun naman.
Bababa.
Here po.
Sa baba. Okay. Thank you.
Mas comfortable.
Ah, yeah. Oo. At ano pa na naman dito? Crowded doon, no? My favorite. What is this? Tokwa. Okay. Dinala kami sa. Thank you. Thank you.
You need to remove your sleeper's gun. It's uncomfortable.
Okay, quiet. Okay lang tayo dito. Sa apat. Apat tayo.
Dito ka na.
Okay. Ay, ang lamig. Hindi ko dinala yung ano ko dyan. Ang lamig. Hindi ko dinala yung jacket ko.
I have mine.
Kasi dinala tayo doon, ano na, crowded na sa taas, no?
Play with this knife. It's metal and it's hurt you. Metal is hard.
Get your food na.
Get your food. Before you make katak-katak, you get your food there. Okay, dinala kami sa, ano, special pala kami. Special treatment. So, i-deliver na lang yung foods natin.
Nakuha ka pa din doon?
Kala ko. Sa taas kasi. Sa taas.
Sino kausap mo?
Nagbablog. Sa taas. Nakakainis yung barang nyo, no? Pagkialamera. Sa taas kasi, so very crowded na. Kaya, dinala kami dito, special, VIP. So, kain na kami. Bye-bye, guys. Hi, Nits. Hintayin ko muna sila. Breakfast in, Mall of Asia. Ano kasing hotel to? Linson Hotel. Nasa Linson Hotel kami. Linson Hotel ng Mall of Asia. With my madalawang apong madaldal. Ito yung sa harap ko. Ito yung tinatambakan. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin nila doon. Tinatambakan nila yung dagat. Hindi sumama si Pau Pau. You like?
Okay. I eat that
Okay. Slowly, careful.
How about the bacon? Do you want bacon?
Okay, gagawa na ako ng guys. Bye for now. Gagawa na ako ng sandwich ko and my favorite. And that's your favorite, Gib?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't like it with milk.
Say bye-bye first to my, naka-live ako, Gib. Yummy? Yeah, bikers. Lots of bikers outside. It's yummy, Gib. This is always your breakfast. Gib. Right? Your favorite breakfast and milk. What number is that? What number is that? Pogi na po. Ang bimbi ko.
Back 19.
Where is gone? Ayan, that's gone also. Nagkukuna. Gone! That's not good. Nakapajama pa siya. Diba, oh?
Go sit there. Sit there, Mo. Sit, Mo.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Kukuha muna ako ng foods ko. Bye-bye. Pangit ang hair ko.
Ayan, there's rice.